Hi guys, it's Christina Connolly here with another tech tip for you today. Today I'm going to go over how you can quickly and easily schedule video conference meetings using your Google Calendar. The first thing to do is make sure you get to your Google Calendar. I'm going to use my waffle and access the calendar there. And just as a reminder, you can choose the view you like to use up here. I'm going to be using the week view here. I'm going to go and act as if I'm going to schedule a meeting for next week, and I want to invite a parent to this particular meeting. So this is a great tip for parent-teacher conference setup. To create an event, I can either click on the time that I want, so right here, or I can go to the create button and do it this way. Now I put in my event title, and keep in mind that this event title, if you invite others, will be what they see as well. Picking the date and time, so let's go to what we might be using for parent-teacher conferences per se. And once I get my time in here, I can then add a guest right in this area. And it's important to note that you can in fact invite others that are not in the Burlington City email address realm. So anybody from outside of our district can be invited as well. So that's really useful when you're inviting parents, for instance. Now, right in this scheduler, I can see the ability to add Google Meet video conferencing. So if I were going to schedule a meeting with Google Meet, all I need to do is click here and it automatically generates a link for me. But let's say I would like to use Zoom instead. There's one additional step that you would need, and that would be to install the Zoom extension. So I already have the Zoom scheduler installed here. To get it, all you need to do is go to the Chrome web store, so you can Google that, and just search for Zoom Scheduler. You'll see a button that says Install into Chrome. Okay, so I can now go to make it a Zoom meeting if I prefer. And what will happen here is it's asking me if I would like to send this invitation now. I could click that, but if I was not done, I could go back to editing and I could check out what else I might need to add. And you can use the button for more options to see even more, such as adding a notification to the event as well. All right, if I were all done, then I would click Save, and it's asking me if I would like to send the invitation to the guests. If I did not want guests to get a copy emailed, I would pick Don't Send, but I do, so I'm going to click Send. And it's giving me a warning that I'm going to invite an external guest, and that's okay, because once again, I'm using an email address that's not associated with our district, so I'm going to click Invite. And now, from a parent's point of view, I can see that the parent has received an email indicating the date and time of the conference. This one was sent with the Zoom link, so I have the link right here to click, and if I scroll all the way down, I can click yes, maybe, or no to confirm my attendance to the meeting. If I had sent this with Google Meet, then I would see a very similar email, including the Google Meet link embedded right here, and again, the confirmation to the meeting. And this is a really nice way to organize your conferences right from Google Calendar, because in my view, I will now have the event scheduled on the days and times, and all I need to do to join is click the event, and I can join right from the invitation. So if you have any questions about using Google Calendar to schedule video conferencing meetings, please let me know. Thanks.